A little freaking poodle.
Did you see she took her hip paw and she smacked him?
And there sits Lucy.
One sniff, that's it. Tell him,
Look at Ricky watching him. He's my sister and I don't like him, but you can't have him.
Yeah. She's feisty.
Yeah. She is.
Oh, that was so cute. Did you see the eye?
She's being a terrible twos at 13 weeks.
I love how Chief's face goes back like...
He don't know what to take her.
No. Get Ricky, I'll protect you.
Yeah, right.
Oh, he's going to bite his leg.
She's a spunky one.
No, no mounting, no peeing, none of that
Oh,
shit.
Ricky ain't playing.
Shit.
Ricky ain't playing either. I saw teeth.
Trying to bite his leg again.
It's funny because Chief could like just with one bite like annihilate her.
All he's got to do is just whack him.
Yeah, but it's like she's just like dominating him. She's like smacking him and he keeps going back.
Well,
and
that's
forth.
because Chief hasn't figured it out yet.
I do see some good dribble coming on Chief, though.
You see him lifting his paws? Like, he's like crap. All right, we got grass to cut. Come on, Willie. Boo-boo.
Boo-boo's busy. There he goes.
Come on, Bubba.
Shh. Well, and everybody, he's big.
Yeah, he minds well.
Oh, that was funny.
She's going for more.
Yeah, more your size, Flo.
She's pooped.
What's going on, Flo?
She says I'm beat. That big dog.
But he's like, here she comes again.
Yeah.
And then he runs right into Ricky.
Surrounded. Lucy, did you cut the grass? Very good.
Lucy was even playing a little.
Come on, Rick.
He's done with her. His tail's down. He's done with her.
He's trying to get away. He's trying to get his own space.
Yeah, yeah.
So she'll have to learn. She's getting closer and closer right down. She's going to hump her.
That's all right. Good girl, Lucy.
Good girl, play with your sister nice.
Come on, Luce.
Okay, you didn't want any more of that water, did you?
There, Luce. That's fine.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, that's my big old girl.
Ricky's like, I want to get in here, okay? And Lucy's gone. Okay, I'm about ready to have enough.
Hey.
And Mabel's like, I am so not done playing.
Move that chair, okay? Thanks.
Oh, there we go.
Somebody will love me.
love puppy kisses. I love puppy kisses, and you smell like a puppy.
Stuff to smell.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So, you're both gonna come over here. She's gonna come over here, and someone's gonna grab my leg.
Here, take the lead, City.
Someone's gonna grab my leg.
Look at Luz. Look at lay over by the damn tree.
Let her go
I
by
don't
her.
think he can reach.
See, Ricky's worried he's gonna get in trouble.
He should be.
No, he shouldn't.
Let her go by there.
Well, she's going that way.
Look at him sniffing. No.
Off.
No.
Off.
No. You'll
Off.
hurt yourself.
Off. Off. Good boy. Good girl.
Mabel.
Whatever. Good job.
That's it.
Off.
Mabel.
Good girl. Oh, I love you. Yes, I do.